Guys, check this out. What I got here is the ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 plasma cutter. This is gonna be my second ARCCAPTAIN product that I have here on the channel. The first one was a welder, and I was very impressed with the quality of the welder itself. So today we're just gonna take this out of the box and we're just gonna check how good this plasma cutter is. I've seen some videos before, and supposedly this thing can cut up to ½ inch. I seen it, so let's try it out. Let's take this thing out of the box and see what we got. Also guys, if you're looking for kind of welding equipment, plasma cutters, welders, helmets, pretty much anything that has to do with metal fabrication, if you're trying to get some, right now is the perfect time, because ARCCAPTAIN is going to have a limited time offer, some really good deals. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you can go in there and check it out for yourself. So in the box you're gonna get your ground cable, you get a dual voltage adapter for 110 volts and 220 volts. You're gonna get your air hose, 2 air hose clamps, a set of consumables, your instructions, and your torch gun. Finally, you get your plasma cutter. This machine is super easy to set up. The one thing that I will change, if this barbell on the machine itself, I will much rather have a quick disconnect. Most people have a quick disconnect hose for their compressor, but you can make it work. You're just gonna have to get an adapter for bar fitting to a quick disconnect, and that will make it work. So that's what we're gonna do. You got your mechanical oil regulator and air water separator. Dual voltage, so you can set these on 220 volts or 110 volts with the adapter. You can set these up from 20 amps all the way up to 50 amps. You're gonna have 2 different modes. It's gonna have 2T. And 4T. And you can also adjust your post gas anyway down from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. Okay, so now that we have the machine set up and ready to start cutting, we're gonna try a few things. Supposedly this thing can cut up to 3/4 inch, which will be this. I tried before and I failed with another machine. I'm gonna try with this one. Now this is not supposed to be a clean cut, but it's supposed to cut it, so we're gonna try a clean cut for this machine. They advertise it as a ½ inch. So like I say, I got a bunch of different pieces around the garage. We're just gonna try them out and see what it can cut and how clean does it cut it. So this was 2mm steel, pretty quick pass. It's clean. Let's move up to 5mm. So here is 5mm steel. I move up a little bit slow on this one. It's still pretty clean cut. Let's move up to 5mm aluminum, see what happens. So here is 5mm aluminum. That was pretty quick. That was fast. Let's move to 1/4 inch of a flat bar steel. So here is 1/4 inch flat bar. I think it does look pretty clean. I had to went back and recut it because I didn't have the right speed, but it's doing pretty well. Now this is going to be the moment of the truth because I only got one piece for this, and this is a 1/2 inch solid steel, and I don't even have enough of a piece to put something to try to trace it, so I have to do it by hand, but let's see how it goes. So he did cut it. This is 1/2 inch steel, a little bit of slag in the bottom. Maybe not as clean. I think I was going maybe a little bit too slow, but man, he does cut it. Very surprisingly for a 50 amp plasma coater that is under $200. So now I think I'm gonna set myself for failure. They claim I can cut it, but 3/4 inch for a 50 amp plasma coater, it's a little bit skeptical. Here is me trying it before and not quite getting there, so this time I'm gonna go through here and let's see what happens. It's gonna be maxed out 50 amp. I don't know, probably 75 psi. We'll see. Well, I don't believe it, but it does work for 3/4 inch. This thing is very powerful. It's small and compact, but very powerful. Is it a clean cut? No, it's not super clean, but they don't never claim that it was a clean cut. They claim that it will cut it, and it did. So it's amazing. I will never work with anything this thick, but like if you have to cut something this thick, then you already know that the ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 will do it for you. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Like I say, this is gonna be the ARCCAPTAIN Plasma Coater Cut 50. This is a very powerful little machine, only weight about 13 pounds, very portable, but also powerful. Don't miss out on the sales that ARCCAPTAIN has for September, because they're gonna have some sales and it's only gonna be for September. So just make sure you click that link, and if you like the video, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.